Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study more effectively in medical school. First, focus on active learning techniques. Instead of passively reading, actively test yourself. Use flashcards or practice questions to recall information, which dramatically improves memory. Spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, is also crucial for long-term retention. This approach ensures you truly understand and remember complex medical concepts. Next, manage your resources and time wisely. Medical school offers vast amounts of information, so identify and stick to high-yield resources that align with your curriculum. Develop a structured study schedule, allocating specific times for different subjects, and ensuring you include regular breaks to prevent burnout. Keeping your notes and study materials well organized will save you valuable time during review sessions. It's vital to prioritize deep understanding over mere memorization. While some rote learning is necessary, truly grasping the underlying mechanisms of diseases and treatments will serve you better in the long run. Try to connect new information with what you already know, building a robust mental framework. Explaining complex concepts to a study partner or even to yourself aloud can reveal gaps in your understanding and reinforce learning. Finally, remember that your well-being is paramount. Ensure you get sufficient sleep, eat nutritious meals, and engage in physical activity to maintain mental clarity and energy. Don't hesitate to reach out to peers, mentors, or faculty for support when you encounter difficulties. Medical school is a marathon, not a sprint, so be adaptable and willing to adjust your study strategies based on what works best for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.